welcome back to my channel. And in this video, as you guys can read by the title, today I am going to show you guys how to shave your face step by step. So I have been shaving my face for last 2.5 years. This is the easiest and painless way to get rid of your facial hair. I am going to use this razor. This is especially for your face, and I think you can find this in every beauty store or you can order online as well. So without further ado, let's get back to the video. Before you start shaving your face, it's really important that you prep your skin first. I'm going to start off by cleansing my face, and I'm using this CeraVe Hydrating cleanser. And this is for like normal to dry skin. I have a really dry skin, so this is a really good for me. I just wash my face and I am not going to dry my face. So I'm going to apply the CeraVe cleanser on my wet face. Apply all over your face and gently massage it for like 1 minute. So after you're done massaging your face, just wash your face normally. My skin already feels so soft, and for next step, I'm using this Body Shop Aloe Claming Toner. So just make sure like you don't have any extra makeup left or any oil or any dust. So all you have to do is like wipe your face with the toner. My face looks clean and dry also. Moving on to my next step, I'm using the Body Shop Oils of Life Face Oil. I've been using this face oil for so long, so I really love this one. But you can use any brand and any face oil. And finally, I'm grabbing my razor. So the most important thing while you're shaving your face is like you have to be very soft, very gentle, and you have to make sure like your skin is like lifted upwards and you stretch your face as much as you can. So I am lifting my face like this with my opposite hand, and I am using the right hand to shave my face. So I'm taking some toner on cotton pad and I'm cleaning my face. After done cleaning your face, make sure you wash your face with lukewarm water. Let me go quickly wash my face and I'll be right back. My skin feels really soft right now, and I am going to apply some CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is also another very important step of shaving your face. Like make sure you always keep your skin, keep your face moisturized. In general also, it's very important to keep your skin moisturized all the time. So I get these questions a lot, like after shaving your face, does it grow back longer, thicker or darker? And my answer is no, it doesn't grow back longer or any darker, because I've been shaving my face for like last 2.5 years. It just grow exact like before. You don't have to worry about these things. And after good massage of moisturizer, I'm applying this fruit drops from Peachytonics. This is a face serum. result, guys. My skin feels so soft and smooth. And let me know if you guys try it out, and also hit the like and subscribe button if this video is helpful for you. And I will see you guys in my next video.